Fudge is a type of confectionery that is believed to have originated in the United States in the late 19th century. Its creation is often attributed to a happy accident or a fudged batch of caramels, hence the name fudge. The first known mention of fudge was in a letter written in 1886 by Emelyn Battersby Hartridge, a student at Vassar College in Poughkeepsie, New York. She recounted that a friend's cousin made fudge in Baltimore, Maryland, selling it at 40 cents per pound. Hartridge obtained the recipe and made 30 pounds of fudge for a Vassar College auction in 1888, which helped popularize the treat among students and beyond. Fudge recipes began to appear in various cookbooks by the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The basic ingredients of traditional fudge are sugar, butter, and milk, which are heated to the soft ball stage and then beaten while cooling to create a smooth, creamy texture. Recipes. The earliest documented recipes for fudge date back to the late 1800s. The first known recipe appeared in a letter written in 1886, where a student describes making the sweet treat. Over time, many variations have developed, incorporating ingredients like chocolate, nuts, and various flavorings. Today, fudge remains a popular sweet treat enjoyed in many forms around the world. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.